NuNet is a decentralized computing platform that transforms the fragmented computing hardware infrastructure of the world into an open and borderless protocol where compute power is available to all who need it from all who have it. We are creating an intelligent virtual cloud platform that consists of individual devices distributed all over the world. Technically, NuNet operates by putting a lightweight executable on each device of the network that, independently of device type, connects them all into a global software and hardware service mesh with inbuilt tokenomic payments and incentives. On this global network, nodes act like air traffic controllers, routing computation intelligently around the network and deciding which request to send to which computing resource provider. Such routing depends on the device's processing power, memory, network speed, proximity to data sources, and other parameters, which NuNet matches exactly to the needs of each software service, in this way optimizing the global work of the platform. Using NuNet, application developers are able to plug into open APIs, which provide access to ready-to-use deployments of such algorithms and AI services, which are themselves provided by the third-party developers and frameworks such as Singularity Net Ecosystem. NuNet's tokenomic system allows to compensate for compute power used by each application call separately on a very granular level. And furthermore, the platform seamlessly scales up and down depending on the real-time requirements of each application that runs on it. So as a result of that, NuNet is able to run compute workflows on cheap community-provided devices and integrate those compute workflows running on any device independently of the location and ownership, including laptops, desktops, mobile phones, IoT devices, even different cloud providers or decentralized computing frameworks, and in the future, any device, hopefully including autonomous cars and robots. Right now, NuNet is entering a new phase of development. We have been operating in stealth mode over the past 2 years, during which we progressively developed a proof of concept, a minimal viable product, and in a matter of weeks, we are releasing the alpha version of the platform. It will be launched in 2 phases. Private alpha will be launched in the third quarter of this year, which will come with all the basic functionalities that I mentioned before. And in a few months later, in the fourth quarter of this year, we will upgrade it to the public alpha that will include native tokens, token payment gateways, and the community developer program. NuNet will play an important role in enabling the global economy of decentralized computing in general and contributing to the Singularity Net ecosystem in particular. And we are very much looking forward to this new phase. So stay tuned for more developments and updates, which are coming very soon.